Group study is a powerful tool for academic success. It helps you in multiple ways. First, it promotes active learning. Discussing concepts with peers helps you understand and remember information more effectively. Second, group study enhances problem-solving skills. Collaborating with others exposes you to different perspectives and approaches. Third, it boosts motivation. Being part of a study group encourages accountability and keeps you focused on your goals. Finally, group study reduces stress. Sharing the workload and tackling challenging tasks together creates a supportive environment. So, to summarize, group study improves your grades by promoting active learning, enhancing problem-solving skills, boosting motivation, and reducing stress. Remember, when it comes to studying, teamwork truly does make the dream work. Thank you for watching.